Hello, and thank you for checking out Selling Skills, Professional Best Practice, a workshop that I've created specifically to help you win more business now and in the near future, while at the same time creating and developing long-term relationships of mutual value to you and your customer. And if you do have a need for improvement in this area, this workshop definitely will help, because we're going to be looking at some global best practice skills and approaches and looking in a way that you can use them with ease and with confidence and put them into practice immediately in the selling situations that you face. My name is Stephen Warner, and I've had more than 35 years experience of working with organizations of all sizes and at all levels, and pretty much in most locations around the world. And I've used that experience plus my own learning to create this workshop for you. In this preview, I'm going to cover the why, the what, the how, and the who of the workshop, or the outcomes you can expect, what we'll cover in order to deliver those outcomes, how we'll work together, and in that way, you'll be in the best position to make an informed decision as to whether participation is right for you or not. I'll use the same format as the workshop itself, which is the Zoom format. That way, as well as my examples and explanations, you're going to have the key bullet points and key skill models on the screen in front of you at all times to refer to. So let's start that right away. So let us start with the whys, or the outcomes that you can expect as a result of your active participation in this workshop. You can expect to see an increased ability to stand out in the eyes of your customer through the way you approach the relationship. In other words, for them to see value in doing business with you and the offers that you make. You can also expect to see an increased ability to close sales and win the business in the short term in the context of an overall longer term mutually beneficial relationship. So if those are the whys, the outcomes that will be delivered, what will we cover in order to deliver those outcomes? That's our agenda. As you can see here, we move from the helicopter view, or the value that the salesperson can add to the offer, right down to the skills, the nuts and bolts of how to do just that. And talking about the how will we make the what deliver the outcomes that I outlined? That's our methodology. This workshop's not just about what the skill is and why it's important, critical though that is, but it's also going to give you a chance to practice the skills, to master them. More importantly, to transfer or personalize them to your own natural style, using the words that you would use. In other words, so that you're comfortable with using the skills. And then perhaps most importantly, how do they apply in everyday situations that you face with real world customers? That's what will make the difference. So should you attend? Well, if you are someone who has one or more of the needs for the core sales skills listed here, or if you have a need for them that I haven't thought of, then I would suggest, yes, this is an excellent use of your time and participation. If that is the case, I very much look forward to virtually working with you to help you close sales within the context of that longer term good relationship and help you achieve the results that you want to achieve in sales. And if you wanted to find out more about this particular workshop, have a look at a free preview and check out current pricing, then the easiest way is to click on the link below at the top of the comments section. Or you could email me or check out my website. Anyway, thanks very much indeed for listening.